Hi, so today we're gonna make the Avatar Airbender Aang. I already made Aang's stick. So this is what I did. This is like a cardboard stick under it from a carpet that I bought. I wrapped the entire thing in brown duct tape first, and I bought brown duct tape and gold duct tape. You're gonna need a cardboard stick, pretty long one, brown duct tape and gold duct tape. Wrap the entire thing in brown duct tape first. And then what I did for here, for the ends to make it look like that, took like a white sheet of paper, right? Just like crumple it. Measure it for like around how long this thing is. And then you're gonna cut it off. Okay, like that. So I wrapped this whole thing in gold duct tape, right? And then I put it around this. Okay, and then I duct tape it to the end. And then what I did for this little ball part, I just crumpled a piece of paper, right? Like this. And for this cardboard end, it's gonna be like hollow, and make a little point like this and put it into the end of the cardboard. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take your gold duct tape and wrap it around this. Also, I took duct tape and I put it around like this. So I ripped one piece of duct tape in half, and I split it in two, and then I ripped a half of a half for this one. These are my hand grips, and then so yeah, it's a little bulgy in the middle, but it's because this was accidentally like ripped in two, and I just like duct taped it together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make the costume now. I got like a felt one, yellow fabric and orange fabric. I got 2 yards of each of that. And I got 1 yard of the red fabric. I bought pants from Walmart. They didn't have the color that I wanted. I'm gonna dye them dark brown. I couldn't find anything else, so I have this ice chest here. Right now, I'm in the process of like boiling some water, because on this thing it tells me to use hot water. I already washed the pants that I bought and tried on. You know, you just have to follow the directions for dyeing. This is gonna be one of the first times I dye clothes, so you'll see that in a little bit. Yeah, we'll see what I can do by tomorrow. What time it is, don't know. It's 12:36 a.m. My party is tomorrow at 8 or 10 or something, so yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'll put on time lapse. Okay, so I bought these pants. They're youth size, actually, from Walmart. I got size XXL in youth. Okay, so this is how I'm dyeing my pants. These are the directions. Just read the directions. I got this dark brown purpose fall dye. I don't know if you could see like the water steaming, but it's steaming in there, and it told me to stir constantly. So that is what I'm doing to dye these pants that I got from Walmart. Constantly stir these for 30 to 60 minutes. And I'll check back in with you a little bit later. Okay, so I read the directions, and it says that it's 30 minutes or until you reach the desired color that you want. And I think that I've reached the desired color that I want, so we're going to take this outside because I have nowhere to dump this water. So we're gonna dump this water outside, and we're gonna rinse the pants like it tells me to do, okay? See how dark that got? Hey, don't drink that. Okay, so I rinsed the pants with cold water and I put them in the dryer. I mean, no, I did not put them in the dryer. I put them in the washing machine with some old towels, so I'm gonna let that wash it overnight. And then we'll get back to making this costume tomorrow. Watch this. Yeah. This is how my pants turned out. Okay. They were a lighter brown, and so I showed you how to make them into this color, you know? I did not follow the directions completely because it says use RIT color stay dye fixative immediately after dyeing cotton, blah, 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 to maximize color retention. And I didn't have that, so I didn't use it, but I think that they turned out pretty well. See, the inside did not get that dark, but these were already a light brown. So they turned out pretty well. So these are my Aang pants. And this is my Aang stick. Yeah. My hand grippies right here. Go back here. Oops. I showed you how to make the ends of these, and this is just colored duct tape and a cardboard tube that I got from a carpet that I bought. Now we're gonna use this fabric that I got from Joann's, and we are going to make his little thing like that, and somehow make this go around like that. I think that I am just going to put this on time lapse and then maybe try to do a voiceover. Yeah, we're gonna definitely measure and cut some fabric and sew some fabric. By the way, I made this shirt. I made a Thrasher shirt. I made this. One of a kind. Vivian Gunther. I just want to show you what I just did right now. To make these ripples, I just folded the fabric and then I sewed it like that. Just easy knots, one like staggered, and then so that's what it looks like on that side. Maybe if I had more time, I would like have used nicer thread, but you know what? Everyone is going to be drunk and no one is going to really notice the stitching. And then I'm just gonna continue doing this around the entire thing, and then I'll show you that afterwards. But it's just simple. It's simple cut, sew, and tying knots. And we're gonna do that for the rest. So you got like your basic ripples, and then now we are going to start the orange ripples. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So, I mean, if you are trying to do this at home, you know, I would totally suggest getting thread that matches the color of the fabric that you were using. Totally, 100%, because I did not do that. Make sure you make your knots so they don't come out. I'm not planning on washing this, so again, we're just gonna go under like that and pull it through. So I guess that this is like a prototype. This is me just fucking around. This is just for shits and gigs. Okay, hello. So, so I finished sewing this, and then I sewed it actually onto my body right here, not very well. And then I sewed it onto my body right there. Don't mind my pits, I'm gonna shave those. I cut like about 6 inches from each side because this is a little shorter than this side. Okay, and so now we're going to put this over like that. I actually think that I need to, well, it's not totally finished yet. You know, nobody's really gonna notice your stitching because everyone is gonna be drunk if you're of age. Don't drink if you're underage, okay? Don't, it's just bad. You will die. Nobody's gonna notice the stitching. This is basically like blanket material, so the entire night, I'm gonna be warm as fuck. I don't know what anyone else has to. I'll just be warm not worry. You know, I'm not planning on wearing, ow! I might wear this again for fun. You know, maybe I'll remake it. I still have to shave my head and then go around and around and around and pull tight and go through. Okay, and then go under and poke through to the top, pull tight, under, poke through, pull tight. Now we're gonna make a knot. Real women have hair, so at least I freaking wear deodorant. Just keep doing it, because you don't want this knot to come out. So now, it's almost ready. It's almost ready. Okay. And here's my stick. These pants even have freaking pockets. I might cut the bottom of this a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. Oops. Oh my gosh. I'm taking a pic. Okay, so I did my makeup a little bit, and now we're going to make the arrows on your head. Okay, first I guess you want to start with like your forehead. Go straight down, because the arrow is gonna go on your forehead. It's gonna go straight down your neck. Oh my gosh, it's taking off some of my skin. Yeah, because I just shaved my head again. Literally, I can't. We're not gonna use the tape. Fuck the tape, okay? Benson! That's my dog. Get that line nice and blue. Walmart is dope. This was 98 cents. This is my dad. We're on good terms this week. Now we're gonna paint the arrow on your forehead. We're just gonna go straight like that. Straight like that. And then go like that. And straight. DIY airbender. Okay, almost filled in completely. It's not centered on my forehead. Well, it could be centered if I just make it a little pointier like that. I really don't want to take it off. I'm right-handed, so this side is gonna be a little bit easier to do. I'm blue, yabba-dee, yabba-da, yabba-dee, yabba-da, yabba-dee, yabba-da. Try to do this one, how we did this one. This isn't a fashion show. We're gonna make it a little bit wider. I'm the airbender. Time to get dressed. There's a DIY on how to do the airbender costume yourself. Not that hard. Except for don't bend down while your paint's still wet. So you are now speaking to Aang, the Avatar Airbender. Yeah.